Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Elevate Styles. I am Treasure. If you're not subscribed with us, that means you need to do that right now and get acquainted with me and my little peanut. So today I am going to be doing a two-part video for you guys, and it is going to be two of the units from Butta lace. I don't know if anybody ever heard of it. It's new to us, so I'm going to be reviewing it for you guys, for anybody who don't know. So I'm going to be doing a unit 1 and a unit 2. They're two completely different styles. You get two different looks. So this one's going to be the first one we're going to be doing from us, called Butta lace. It is their upgraded of what lace, I'm sorry, because I always say what the lace. And we're going to be doing this one in a unit 1. So this is the bob. It's like a bob. It does come in other colors. They do have them on the back, whatever you want. It's pre-plucked. It's an HD lace, so you know what lace is already the bomb. They're gonna lie, that's one of my favorites. But Butta lace is supposed to be like a more like transparent, so it's an HD lace. So unit 1 is a bob. As you can see, it's a bob. The texture on this feels like human, but it feels Yankee as well, so like a Yankee human hair. All right, I'll just show you the lace on that. And that's gonna be the part on that, and that's just show you the ear. So it is an ear-to-ear lace. It's pretty stretchy, so if you have a bigger head, you should be fine. It has the 2 tuck combs in the front, the one in the back, along with the adjustable straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on. So this is giving me real, I don't know if anybody wears like frontal wigs or make them or install them, but whatever. This one is giving me real like frontal vibes. Like I think because my head is a little smaller, I'm gonna have to customize it. It is a little bigger on my head. Like see, it's very big on my head. So if you have a smaller head, you might want to look into using your adjustable straps, using your tuck comb, and you might actually have to go ahead and trim around the ear on this lace. I'm going to show you why right now. All right, so as you can see, it's over top of my ear, and if I pull it up like it's supposed to, like a normal wig would normally fit, it'll be like that, and you don't have to worry about it. But you can see it's really big around here. That's just my head. My head is measuring at a 20/21. So if anybody has a big head, a bigger head, or a normal size head, you are gonna be fine. If you have a small, teeny tiny head, this wig, you're definitely gonna have to do some customizing. So here is the lace on that. It's a really nice hairline. This is cute though. This here's the parting. On that, it's nice and deep. This is actually a cute wig. I'll just turn around so you can get an idea for that. This is cute for all you normal people. I'm jealous because I really like this one, and I was really looking forward to being able to completely be like, wham, honey. Honey, but listen, I do that and it's fall on the floor on camera. Yeah, I ain't coming back. Alright, so I'm gonna move on to unit 2. And unit 2 is gonna be in a T4 peach. This is the unit 2. Alright, it has the same deal going on. This one just is longer. It has like you know, layered bangs in the front. It has a nice little pretty curl. That's bomb. This color is all of that. Nice and long, nice and full, bouncy. Yes, and it has the dark roots, the T4. I'll show you the lace on this one. That's really good. It has the same thing going on here. Ear-to-ear lace, tuck combs here, and the adjustable straps. It is a better fit. Again, this one is still big on me, but I did go tighten up. It does feel a little better than unit 1, so that's not too bad. Let me go ahead and just show you. This is pretty. The texture is like a Yankee texture. I didn't have any problems with finger combing it through. I am going to stand up so you can get like an idea of how long it is. I am 5'2", and this is coming down to my waist, as you can see. Let's get into the lace part of this. You can see that's really good lace. Wow, you see I got the baggy effect because my head is so small, but it is really good. And here's the part. So again, like I said, yeah, because I mean, I'm loving these wigs. I just cannot get in the swing of it because of my head is so freaking small. Wow. But these ones are bomb. I really, really like this color. So I am gonna go ahead and add the link down below for both units. I'm sad. So when you guys purchase this, please upload pictures. Let me know how you like it. If you had any questions, any comments, any kind of concerns, let me know. You want to see it in another color, I have no problem doing that for you. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.